Dear traders, in this video, I'm going to tell you about the best trading view indicator for the day trading, and this strategy will be used for zero fake signals. It means we are going to have only strong or the accurate signals, and you will be getting only the maximum profits by using this strategy. This strategy contains three indicators. The combination of these three indicators will be giving you only accurate signals, and you will be filtering out all fake signals or the weak signals. Okay, one more thing, I want to tell you that this strategy cannot only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details of this video, I want to tell you that which book I'm using for my trading. This is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you will have two options of standard accounts. They are standard and standard cent, and there are three professional accounts as well. They are raw spread, zero, and pro account. XNES is very trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So, if you are interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here, I have opened the Bitcoin USD in 5 minutes time frame, right? So the indicators that we are going to use here, the first indicator that I am going to use here, the CM sling short system. This is by Chris Moody. 24,261 traders are using this indicator, so you have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. And now we will go into the adjustment of this indicator. Into the settings, we have to uncheck first and third option, and that's all. Click OK. And now we will go into the indicators again, and we are going to add Trend Magic. This is by Kivans Osbiljic. 6,713 traders are using this indicator. You have to click again and it will be applied on your chart. Now you will go into the settings of Trend Magic indicator. From here you have to change the color of zero. Color zero you have to change, and I will be choosing the green color for this, and click OK. We won't be changing any other thing here. Now we will go for the last indicator into the indicator section, and that is CM MACD indicator. CM MACD indicator multiple time frame, and this is again by Chris Moody. 60,411. This we will choose Chris Moody, and 11,002 traders are using this indicator, so we have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now we will go into the adjustment of this indicator as well, and we have to see the input. Okay, we are going to use this indicator with default settings, as this indicator is going to give us the best results along with its default settings. Okay, now I will tell you how to enter into the trade. First of all, I will be telling you when to enter into a long trade. Always remember that our TM or the Trend Magic indicator should give us the green color line here. The second thing that we are going to see that our lines market has to make the green color candles to form above this green color line. And the third thing that we have to see that our CM MACD indicator should give us this green color point, and the green color line should be starting from here. If we will be getting all three positions fulfilled, or the conditions will be fulfilled, we will be taking our entry into the market for the buy position or for the bullish pattern. Okay, conversely, if we see when to take the entry for the bearish pattern or for the short trend, always remember the first thing that we have to see is that our Trend Magic indicator should give us this red color line. The second thing that our market has to move down to our this line or this magic that is given by the CM short sling. And the third thing that we have to see that our CM MACD indicator should give us the red color points or dots that will be showing us that now this is the red color or the downward trend or the bearish trend started, and our these histograms should also show us the red color or the light pink color whenever our market signals will be bit weak. But by looking towards this, we have got that when to enter into the market for the bullish trend and when to enter into the market for the bearish trend. These two conditions we can see in any other chart. Let's suppose in the gold chart, if we go, I will be telling you that when to enter into the buy market. The first thing that you have to see that our market has to, our TM indicator should give us the green color line, this as you can see. And the second thing that you have to see that our slingshot system should give us the red green color arrows, and after that our market has to form the green color candles here. The final thing that we have to see that our CM MACD indicator should give us the green color dots, and after that our this line should be above this zero level line, and our histogram should also be in the green color. All these four conditions will be fulfilled, then we have to take the entry into the bullish market. And you can see that our market is also moving above this level that is given by the CM short sling. Okay, so this is the strategy that by using it, as you can see, from here till from here till here almost you have taken the maximum profit, and that was due to the bullish trend. And by looking towards this, we can say that yes, this indicator is very powerful and will be filtering out all fake signals, as we have applied three indicators that are purely giving us the signals that are giving us only the accurate signals, and by filtering out the weak or the fake signals. So this is all about the strategy. I hope you like the strategy. If you like my video, do not forget to like and subscribe my video and to use it for your own trading as well. Good luck from my side, and thank you for watching this video.